Hello and welcome to an unboxing of the Ultimate Vacation Collection. This Blu-ray box contains all 4 original films and the main characters, of course, is Clark W. Griswold, played by Chevy Chase. Here seen on the cover with tennis rackets, golf and the moose head. Normally I do my unboxings in German language, but this time I try to make this in English because this box is from UK. Yeah, let's see. It looks like this from the side, the Ultimate Vacation Collection. So, 4 Griswold Family Vacations in a must-have Blu-ray collection. National Lampoon's Vacation 30th Anniversary Edition. Clark Griswold, played by Chevy Chase, is the driver's seat, eager to share the open road and the wonders of family togetherness as everything goes hilarious wrong. There has never been a family vacation like this. Then, National Lampoon's European Vacation. Chevy Chase and Beverly D'Angelo return as Clark and Ellen, winners of a European tour, with their teenagers Rusty and Audrey joining them. It's a wacky wide world of holiday road havoc. Then there's the Christmas movie, Before You Can Sing, Fa La La La, Clark Griswold, Chevy Chase. Dexter holds with Halls of Folly and the perennial favorite. The Festivus, supporting cast, and a John Hughes script you'll love. Then the Vegas Vacation. When Clark Griswold puts his mind to something, we soon realize he hasn't got one. Watch him try to keep family and water together in this Jokers Are Wild Laugh Fest. Yeah, this box also contains some bonus material, like the tour, the special features on National Lampoon's Vacation, introduction by Chevy Chase, Randy Quaid and Matty Simmons, commentaries by Chevy Chase, Randy Quaid and Beverly D'Angelo, and more. Featurettes, Inside Story, National Lampoon's Vacation. It's about 85 minutes. The documentary about, the National Lampoons. It's 1080p, high definition, 16:9. The first movie, it's 5.1 Dolby Digital. The Las Vegas movie is 5.1. The National Lampoon's Vacation and the National Lampoon's European Vacation, the first 2 movies are in 1.0, and Dolby Digital English 2.0 is the Christmas Vacation. So there's 3 different sound. I think there's also German language, because I bought this box because there was also, I Google it, and people say the National Lampoon's UK box also contains the German language. So I really hope there is really German language on it, because here's only English. Subtitles English, French and Spanish. Special features may not be high definition. Audio subtitles may vary. So let's open this nice box. Normally the Blu-ray cases are thinner than this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is the great box. So there are two kind of, the DVDs look like this. The Vacation, European Vacation, the first 2. Let's see. National Lampoons. Yeah, it's also German. Guys, the movies are in English, Spanish, German. That's good. That's really good. This is the first one, first 2. Yeah. and second one. The cover is the same. Okay, but the back cover is different, of course. And these are the second, the third and the fourth. And English Christmas Vacation. Oh, so English, French, Spanish. Oh, the Christmas Vacation don't have German language. Oh my god. Okay, but the Vegas Vacation also contains German. This means 3 movies contain German and 1 is English, French and Spanish. Okay, yeah, that was the unboxing to this great comedy series, comedy movies, The National Lampoons. I say bye bye.